Hey guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing for you. I got a package from the Tropical e-store on eBay, and I'm just going to unbox it. Yes. It's really good packaging, it seems like. It's wrapped in, it's wrapped in brown paper, and then around inside the brown paper is a box. Well, this is really well packaged. Throw all that junk aside. Wow, this is really good packaging. Alright, I think I finally got this enough to open it. And inside is that. Yeah. You might be able to tell what it is. You might not. It is mini Dianshengs. And this is pretty cool because they're in the box. I thought they were going to be out of the box. But I purchased. And it does come with the mini Dianshengs. Does come with the mini Diansheng stand right there. I purchased one. I purchased two. So yeah, let me just get this out of the way. I'll be right back. Don't want to cut myself with a razor. That could be bad. Alright, so yep, these are the Dianshengs. Yeah, it's a mini 3x3 cube. This is pretty cool. Maybe they sell them now. Black Dianshengs. If they do, I think I'll get one. But anyways, let's open one of these up. Crap, I probably shouldn't have put that away. You know what? Yeah. I'll be right back, sorry. Okay, so here's the cube itself. Here is the stand. Here's the stand. It doesn't really say anything on it. Like I know the ones from Cube Reviews say mini Diansheng. Yeah, and here's a little pamphlet on how to solve it. But I won't be needing this because I can solve a cube already. First turn. These turn really well, actually. I think they can kind of cut corners, so that makes them better than normal Dianshengs. I was hoping that this would be a good one-handed speed cube. And I'll just have to wait and find out. But yeah, these are the mini Diansheng cubes, and I'm thinking about taking one of these and modding it with my recently received 2x2 phone gaming again. So yeah, that's the unboxing of the mini Dianshengs.